Hi everyone, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the exact function in Excel. So what the exact function does is that it compares two text strings of values in Excel to find out if they are exactly matching or not. So let's go ahead and start. You'll come here to column E5 and start inputting your function equals exact. And this function requires two arguments. I will highlight my first text and also highlight my second text, close brackets, hit enter, and Excel will give me a false value. Let me double click and send this one down, or I can just drag, and all these other rows will populate. So the reason why Excel is giving us a false value on these two names here is that our second text starts with a small letter, whereas our first value here starts with a capital letter. And remember, we said that the exact function is case sensitive. So when you come over to our second row here, is that this number is exactly the same. That's why Excel is giving us a true. So when you come over to our third row here, why is it that Excel is giving us a false here, yet the names are the same? Let's find out. When you come over and click on this name here in column C, you will see that there is a leading space here. Double check this one, click here, you'll see there's nothing. But when you come over here, you'll notice there is a leading space. So when you come over and remove this space here, and click enter, Excel will give you a true value because spaces are also considered as characters in Excel. So when you come over to our fourth row here, you'll see that Excel is comparing these two values and giving us a true. So the reason why the exact function is giving us a true value here is that Excel sees time and date as numbers. So simply 12 noon is seen as the midpoint of the day, which is exactly 0.5, and that's why we are getting a true value here. Let's go ahead and type a date here. 1st January 1900. We also put 1st January 2000. We also put 2nd March 1989. We replicate this one, and then let's remove the date formatting, and then you will see Excel is giving you a 1 here because it recognizes this is the first day in its calendar system, the first day of January 1900, and these are the number of days that have elapsed since January 1st, 1900, representing the 1st of January 2000, and these are the number of days that have elapsed since January 1st, 1900, representing 2nd March 1989. So that's how Excel sees date and time. So let's move on our second example, which is the equals operator. Just come over here and say equals text 1, text 2, hit enter. It will give you a true. Drag this formula down, and you can see that because the operator function is not case sensitive, that's why on our first text strings here, it is giving us a true.